What is the scientific or eye of flesh approach to the essential morality of humankind? There is a truly wild approach to consider. Why does the lioness kill its prey? Is there an essential morality to that act? I would say not. The reasoning is an instinctive reaction to her environment, the need to feed. Scientifically, it has been suggested that just recently that we evolved out of a single-celled organism, the amoeba. The amoeba also has an essential need to feed. Then it sought out other single-celled organisms to form a more evolved organism with a nucleus. From that, we can deduct that we evolved out of the amoeba, then we are also essentially amoral living beings. A later evolutionary leap with the formation of Homo sapiens was the half-human and half-beast quality of the primate, one of our distant prehistoric ancestors. One of the two motivations of the primate was, again, the need to feed, and the other, the need to join together in a group. Using Maslow's pyramid of the needs, the strongest needs at the base are to feed, second only to the need for companionship. Let us change subject a bit and focus on the quantum to universal level of moral motivation. What was the essential motivation at that time and moment of say the Big Bang? At this beginning moment, scientists have postulated that there was only pure energy and light, enough to cause a potent explosion of never-before-seen magnitude. All substance was contained in that powerful moment in time. As we discussed before, the motivation for the lioness killing her prey was amoral, based out of the need to feed. Like the lioness, the eagle will also kill mice out of this same essential need and other small game. But it might not be fair for that mouse, but you know what? If mice were left alone to reproduce, our world would be overrun with mice. So now, let us assume that we began at the very basic mineral level, not only at the moment of the Big Bang, but also at the moment of the formation of the Earth's core. Before the formation of the more solid atom that we are all made up of, there might have been only the neutron that was stripped of all electromagnetic charge. Before substance as complex as the human body can be created, it had to exist as an atom with neutral charge. When you add a negative electron to a positive proton, you get a stable neutral charge. From there, atoms joined with other atoms to form greater levels of complexity, creating greater forms of higher life. So now we have plant life, animal life, then half animal and half human life, our common ancestor, the primate chimpanzee. But until we arrive at human life, Homo sapiens, we live in an expanding universe in which at the beginning there was only pure light and energy. What if that unity of pure light and energy was just a form of absolute goodness or positively charged energy? Being out of balance, it sought out negative energy to find stability, balance, and equanimity. What if we are motivated by a quality of absolute simplicity, or the basic need to feed, share energy to final balance, and to create larger organizations of pure light, absolute goodness, and energy? Who knows? For 5,000 years or more, everything revolved around the earth until the discoveries made by Isaac Newton, the basis for our modern science today, and it is a known fact today that the earth revolves around the sun and the moon around the earth. At the very basic atomic level, There is no morality, only the need to find electromagnetic balance and stability. The human body contains millions of atoms and molecules working together in perfect harmony. Every living presence, from the macro to the micro levels, is just pure light and energy, as it was at the Big Bang. The understanding that we are essentially pure light and energy is a major contribution that was given from quantum physics. Our universe continues to expand to infinity and beyond. If scientifically the essence of good is just seeking itself out in relationship to its many manifestations, then it is only the perception of good versus evil that determines the morality of our essence. Perception is a process of the thinking brain-mind that is contained with atoms and molecules of our human body. So when did I, the organisms or life, start thinking? Where in my evolutionary process did this take place? Biological and Darwinian theory suggests this began with the increasing size of the brain and the development of the neocortex, at approximately around the time from our lost evolutionary leap from ape to our current state of Homo sapiens. Going back to the Big Bang now, in these pre-evolutionary states between Homo sapiens and the formation of the first electromagnetically balanced substance, I was pure light and energy at the time of Big Bang as absolute goodness, maybe seeking a way for self-expression. I believe this is the core issue here. This is the axis mundi, a Latin term brought down through the ages, the source of our creative, collective experience, the essence of human morality and life. Thank you very much.